Magandang hapon po ng Sunday, January 25, 2026 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, January 25, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas ang para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng January 25, 2026 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ng mabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for Sunday, January 25, 2026. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Super Lotto 649 for January 25, 2026, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Sunday, January 25, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.